Why is it important to check your credit report for errors?
Checking your credit report for errors is crucial because mistakes can lower your credit score, make it harder to get loans, and even affect job opportunities. Reviewing your report regularly helps you spot inaccurate information early, so you can correct it before it causes problems. Everyone is entitled to a free credit report yearly from each major credit bureau.
How can you get a copy of your credit report?
You can request your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com, which provides reports from the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You'll need to provide your personal details for identity verification. It's a good idea to check all 3 reports, as errors may appear on one, but not the others.
What types of errors should you look for?
Common errors include incorrect personal information, accounts you don't recognize, and outdated or wrong payment history. Other examples are duplicated debts, wrong account statuses, or incorrect credit limits. Carefully review your report and make a note of anything that doesn't match your records.
How do you dispute a credit report error?
To dispute an error, contact the credit bureau in writing or use their online dispute system. Clearly identify each item you're disputing, explain why it's wrong, and provide copies of any supporting documents. Always keep copies of what you send. The bureau usually has 30 days to investigate and respond.
What happens after you submit a dispute?
The credit bureau will investigate the items you disputed by contacting the company that reported the information. If the bureau finds the information was incorrect, they must correct or remove it. You'll receive results in writing, along with a free updated credit report if changes were made. Always review the outcome to ensure errors are fixed.